Have you ever wanted to browse the web without saving your browsing history, cookies, or temporary site data after you close your browser? That's exactly what private browsing, often called Incognito Mode, is designed for. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use it in LibreWolf and explain what it does and what it doesn't do. To open a private browsing window, click the application menu in the top right corner of LibreWolf and select New Private Window. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P. A new window will open with the private browsing icon, indicating that you're browsing in private mode. If you regularly use private browsing, LibreWolf also includes an option to automatically delete files downloaded during private sessions when all private windows are closed. You can find this setting by opening Settings, staying in the General section, and scrolling down to Files and Applications, where you can enable or disable this option. When you're finished, simply close all private browsing windows. LibreWolf will automatically remove the browsing history, cookies, and other temporary data created during that private session. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more LibreWolf tutorials, browser tips, privacy features, and customization guides.